Hey guys, it's Gamer here, and I'm here with another status update of the computer. I currently have it built. Sorry for not posting a full build video. I sort of got distracted and forgot all about that. So yeah, my bad. There's the computer here. Have my phone here, really bad phone. iPod charger, NZXT Phantom 410. Motherboard light, of course. HD 7070 gigahertz edition, FX 4100. I don't know if you can see that, but that's 6 gigs of 1600 megahertz ballistics RAM, 650 watt power supply with a blue LED in the back, chair, 2 games back there in the corner. Yeah, stuff. Tritons, garbage, scissors. Yeah. Laptop that I use for mainly TeamSpeak and stuff. Here's my keyboard and mouse. Let's sit down. And then right here, I have a voice, like right here. What I do is I use this for volume. I keep my volume max, and then what this does is just changes the volume of my headset, which is really cool. Let's keep that clicked right there. Let's keep that clicked there. Microphone for TeamSpeak. It's not really much. I have my games, Firefall. I will be posting a lot of games this week, hopefully. I've just been very busy. I had the computer actually since Wednesday. What day was that? I had the computer since Wednesday the 30th, because I had my processor. It's been up since the 30th. And I do have Windows 8 actually. Yeah. Move this over here. Let's go. Yeah, I had to move those. Yeah. It's a very generic Dell monitor. It's a very old monitor, but it's crystal clear. Ow. It's crystal clear. So yeah. Rate, comment, and subscribe.